Stuck with the Schema Management DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we dive into the schema management troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Schema Management, the Active Directory Schema Management Library. It provides unmanaged routines for managing network directory structures, facilitating the enterprise data link for system manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components, including Schema Management DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the schema management file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Schema Management DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes schema management references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got schema management working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.